Hello students, welcome to our math course. And today's lesson, we continue from the last lesson, quadratic inequalities. Okay, let's review one example. We must solve this inequality, and we have steps to solve this. First, write the inequality in standard form, leaving only 0 on the right side. Okay, we just add 6 to both sides, and we have a standard form of inequality. Then we must find the zeros of the polynomial, and to do that, we just solve this equation. Okay, by factorizing, we have x minus 2 and multiplying by x minus 3 equal to 0, and our zeros are 2 and 3. Okay, then we must construct the sign chart for each linear factor here of the polynomial and their product. Okay, right here linear factor, and here 0 of this linear factor, and then to put the signs, we just put here instead of x the number that's greater than 2. For example, if we put 4 here, 4 minus 2 will be 2, and 2 is a positive number. From that we write here plus. And then let's put one number. For example, 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and minus 2 is a negative number. From that we here write minus. Okay, and then we do these steps from for second factor, and then we write here their product. To write the signs here, we just multiply these signs. Okay, if we multiply positive by positive, we will have positive number. Positive by negative, we will have minus, and minus by minus, we will have plus. Okay, positive. And these shaded regions are our answer. Okay, and for write the solution of the quadratic inequality, we write here our solution, our x element of from minus infinity to 2, and from 3 to plus infinity. We will have this type of brackets. It means that 2 and 3 are included to our solution. Okay, next we check the answer. Okay, let's take one number from here, from this interval. For example, 1. We'll put here 1 from instead of x. 1 square minus 5 multiplied by 1 greater than or equal to minus 6. Okay, and we will have minus 4 greater than or equal to minus 6. This is right. Okay, then the number, take one number from this interval. Here we take 5. 5 square minus 5 multiplied by 5 will be 0. 0 is greater or equal to minus 6. And this is our answer is right. Okay, then look at this note. Okay, and please write it on your notebook. Let's read fillet circle. Here is fillet circle. We write here fillet circle. It means that corresponds to non-strict inequalities. Non-strict inequalities, this sign is non-strict inequality. Okay, that is point belong to the solution, and the unfilled belong to the solution. It means that we include these 2 and 3 to our solution. Okay, and then unfilled circles here corresponds to strict inequalities, that is point don't belong to solution. I think it's understandable. Okay, next. In this lesson, and now from the new lesson, you will be able to solve quadratic inequalities. Okay, you will learn new methods. From before to starting lesson, let's look to the key terms: fillet circle, unfilled circle, empty set, strict, non-strict. Okay, Please write these key terms on your notebooks and learn them. Okay? We can use the discriminant of a quadratic to help complete the sign chart. Look at this note. If our discriminant is greater than 0, the equation has two real roots. Yes? If equal to 0, double root. If less than 0, we have no real solutions. And then in inequality, look here. If discriminant is greater than 0, the polynomial ax squared plus bx plus c has the opposite sign to a. Here, between the roots, between the zeros, okay? Here we have opposite sign to a, to this a. And the same sign as a in other intervals. Here we have same sign as a. Let's look to this example. 5x squared plus 2x minus 3 is greater than 0. We have steps to solve the inequality. First, write the inequality in standard form. We have the standard form, okay? Then, find the zeros of the polynomial. To do this, we can use quadratic formula. Let's use this. 2 squared minus 4 multiplying by 5 multiplied by minus 3 will be 64. And then our roots, our zeros, will be 0.6 and minus 1. Okay, then third, construct the sign chart. Here we have our polynomial, yeah, and here we write our roots. And then we put our signs. We look at a. A is a positive number. A is 5. From that, we write here same sign as a. Okay? We write plus here, plus. And between our zeros, we write opposite sign, minus. Okay, then we put here circles. Circles will be unfilled because our sign is strict. Then fourth step, write the solution. We write solution, this interval, our solution. Okay, and then check it, please. Okay, take one number from here and the second number from here and check your answers. Okay, second statement, if discriminant is equal to 0, then the polynomial ax squared plus bx plus c has the same sign as a, but we must consider the 0 of the polynomial, okay? Here we have double root because our discriminant is equal to 0 and our signs are same as a, okay? Let's look to the one example. 9x squared plus 4 greater than 12x. First step, write the inequality in standard form. Here write standard form. And second, find the zeros of the polynomial. We use our quadratic formula and find the zeros. Discriminant is equal to 0. From that we have double root, yeah? 2 over 3. And then construct a sign chart. We construct a sign chart. Here we write our polynomial and here we write our root, our 0, and our 0 is double. From that we have here plus and plus, okay? And here we write circle. Circle will be unfilled because of our sign. Sign is strict, yes? Our inequality is strict. And then fourth step, write the solution. Here write the solution and please check your answers, okay? And third statement, if discriminant is less than 0, then the polynomial x squared plus bx plus c always has the same sign as a. Always has the same sign as a, okay? Same sign as a. Look at example. Here example, we write this example in standard form. Then we find the zeros. 0 will be discriminant is less than 0, minus 48. From that, third step is construct a sign chart, and our sign will be same as A, yeah? A is a 3 is a positive. From that, we can say our solution will be all real numbers because here our inequality is greater than 0. It means all real numbers here, all real numbers from minus infinity to plus infinity will be our answer, all real numbers. Okay. And the last one, research time. We teach you here methods to solve in a quadratic inequality, and one more method we have. It is a graphical method. Please find more information about this method in internet and learn. Okay. Then we have here resources, websites. You can search, you can visit these websites and find more information about quadratic inequalities. Okay. See you on the next video. Goodbye.